Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of basic electronics. Today we will discuss the topic of field effect transistors, in which we will discuss how the field effect transistors works, and it is basically a simple introduction of your next chapter. In the previous chapter, we learned how transistors, NPN transistor or PNP transistor works. And I have defined some simple amplifiers, which was the configuration of NPN transistor. That was common emitter amplifier, common base amplifier, and common collector amplifier, in which I tell you about the biasing process of the transistor. I tell you that base emitter junction should be forward biased. That was the simple principle of transistor, in which I brief you that the base emitter junction should be forward bias and base collector junction should be reverse bias. Only in this case or simply, also we have to use the two backways. These are the two basic principles of the working of a common transistor, NPN transistor or the PNP transistor. In the next, for the next chapter, we have the field effect transistors. There is no simple biasing or connection difference between NPN transistor or N-channel FET or field effect transistors working principle. Though both the principles are similar to each other, that is, I will discuss in this chapter. But simply, the configuration should be simplest, and the next coming days you will understand the lectures. Related to the next chapter, that is field effect transistor. What is the introduction? It is a type of transistor in which the conduction is controlled through its field. Through its field, we control the conduction or simply the flow of the current. It is a unipolar device where unipolar device means only one at one time one polarity should cross through it or discharge through it. It has three terminals, that is source, drain and gate. It has three terminals, that is source, gate and drain. Okay, these are the three terminals. And the flow of current is due to majority transmitters. The flow of the current, when current will flow through it, that will be due to the majority carriers, not through the minority carriers. Basic types, it have basically two basic types. Number one, JFET. JFET stands for Junction Field Effect Transistors. And the second type is MOS FET. MOS FET means metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors. These are the two types. One is number one GFET, number two MOSFET. MOSFET means MOS FET. And there are further subtypes of GFET that we will discuss in the future. What is junction field effect transistor, JFET? Definition: it is a type of field effect transistor. Junction is placed between gate and that channel. That's why it is known as junction field effect transistor. Symbols. Look at here. These are the two types. Number one type is N-channel JFET, and the second type of JFET is P-channel JFET, junction field effect transistors. These are the two basic types of junction field effect transistor. Here is the symbolic difference. The only symbolic difference is most of the figures are looking similar, but the simple difference is that gate is shown over here with an arrow, and the arrow is connected, is shown in this shape, coming inside towards source and drain connection terminal. This area is called channel. So gate terminal in P channel. The arrowhead is coming outside towards the gate channel. So these two things are showing the basic symbolic difference. What is the source terminal? Source terminal is used as input through which charges enter into channel, and simply it provides charges for conduction. For N channel JFET, the negative terminal of battery is connected with the source. In source, when there is source terminal, the negative terminal will connected with N channel. And in the case of P channel, the positive terminal of the battery will be connected to the source channel. Here, negative terminal, and in case of P channel, positive terminal of the battery will be connected to it. What is the drain terminal? Now we will come towards the drain terminal. Drain terminal is used as output terminal or simply output terminal through which the charges bring out or come out for the output, for the sake of output. For N channel, JFET, the positive terminal of the battery will be connected to it. And in the P channel, the negative terminal will be connected to it. Now we'll come towards the gate. Gate, it is the controlling terminal. This channel is very much important in GFET, junction field effect transistor, because through this terminal we control the conduction between source and drain. This is simple thing. For say right over here, negative, positive, the gate terminal is basically used for the purpose of controlling the flow of current or the conduction between it. And this between source and drain, the area of the semiconductor material is known as channel. That is mostly controlled through gate. And in the future lecture, I will discuss more about junction field effect transistor and its types and their connectivity with their physical connectivity. And we will also perform the practicals through which you may understand more concisely about the lecture, today's lecture. I'm hopeful that you have understand this lecture, and if you found any kind of problem, you may ask me on my Google Classroom or through my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay at your home. Allah Hafiz.